Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Crypto Curry. Today is October 16th, Sunday, EST time, New York time, 12:20 p.m. So if you look at my last video exactly, right? So I said there will be a trace back if we cannot break above 20k. So exactly on the Bitcoin, it is actually trading, reverse back to 19k right now. So let's take a look at our S&P 500 first, because we are still in the Fed Reserve high rate cycle. So right now, Bitcoin is so correlated with S&P 500. So that's why I always analyze the S&P 5 first. So really, really interesting, right? Last time, on CPI report, I actually, give out a video, actually break down, and break above to again. And on Friday, it is actually, down to the Fibonacci level, exactly the Fibonacci level. 0.382. We can take a look at. We can zoom a little bit big. You see, that's how crazy it is, this thing. So, as long as we can stay, around this level between 0.382 to 0.236, around this level, we don't break down 3556. I think we are still in good shape. I think it's still good for Bitcoin. But if you're looking at the big page, right? So in the short term, right, my target, I'm still thinking 34 or 33 level. So where is this line come from? So this is line actually since the beginning of the 2008, down this. And then this is the support, I'm thinking, 3370 or 3380 around level. This support is actually also the support here before the pandemic on the 34,000. So that's why this level cannot be break down, to be honest. For this time. So a lot of people are saying it is really hard to do. It's really hard to trade on this level. Yeah, I agree. A lot of time the technique is not working for some reason. Let me show you something here on the 4-hourly chart. If you look at the 4-hourly chart, right, especially in this piece, let me show you. Especially, I think I would say in this piece, you see, like, if you want to go short here, it is actually, if you want to go after it is actually break down around this level, it is actually hitting your stop loss and then keep going up. Same thing if you if you think it is actually the bottom, you want to go long here, and then it is keep going down again. So there's a lot of manipulation here. So you need to think how market maker is actually thinking, right? So right now there in the retail traders, they will use a lot of technicals. So right now the technical doesn't work. So how we can avoid being stopped out? So how we stop losing money? So a lot of time, what I suggest, right? Whenever you see this, like for example, let's take a look at this trade. So if you take out this one, right? So obviously it is already a breakdown, break above on this level. You see this is the 3732, right? If you're thinking, oh, it's actually so this time it's actually break above 37.50 again. Please give the market a little bit of time to react. Okay, so if you see some downward trend, then you're probably gonna short here and then put your stop loss over there. Then your success rate is much higher. Same thing around this level. Like if you want to, like a lot of people want, it's a top, double top. I want to short here, and then you probably stop out again, right? So same thing here. This is a really good pattern for two double top, and then washed a lot of the short traders, and then keep going down here. So same thing. Right now we are actually in here right now, right? Here is also another really important. So that means this thing, you never know, it might gonna keep coming down here. If you draw a line here around this level, if I'm correct, so potentially, right, I'm thinking, so this is the line, it might gonna break down here again. So it might gonna keep this whole thing, this one might gonna break back here. So if in the next time, okay, if in the next time when you see this keep going down, and then you see that there's a potential reversal, then I would highly suggest you can long here around this level, 34.80, and then you probably can catch another uptrend to I would say another 10% maybe reversal here for the S&P 5. I think in the next couple of months here. Same thing for Bitcoin. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So if you're looking at my last time video, I suggest I think I suggest to make a long here in 1900, right? And then if you take a look at here, this trade, exactly the lowest bottom is exactly 19. I think it's 18990, right? But if you putting a 1900, I think congrats, you hitting this level. I suggest if you make a long here, keep holding your longs. Okay, so our short-term target here is from 19, try to break above this level. If you're looking at this whole downtrend line, this Fibonacci channel, this time we try to break above, it fell this second time, fourth time, the fourth time, and then this is the fifth time. So this fifth time have a really high opportunity to break above. A lot of time, when it is happen, a lot of time, it can break above. Okay, let me make it a bit. So, okay, this one is much better. So, once we can break above, I'm thinking we are targeting at around, I would say around 11. I think it's around here, 21k. That is actually my target here. If you actually holding 1900, the short term, you can take some profit on the 21k, and then we're probably gonna reverse back again, touch this 1915, and then we probably have another 25,000. Okay, so short-term strategy. So short-term strategy, okay. Long 19,000. Target is 21,000. You can take some profit over there, and then we can take another trend, 19,500 to 25k. So ultimately, my go 25k is still alive. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum first. So Ethereum, last time I said, on my last video, we are loaning 1300 and I targeted 1400, and the big one is 1600. So I probably putting 1600 is might be not too ambitious, right? It's same thing for 2500. It is too ambitious, but short term, I think 1400 may be reliable. But if you take a look at this, the hourly, let's take a look. So you can see here, Ethereum is actually holding back this this support pretty well. So if you guys actually long a 20, like around long, you guys want to long around here 1284, it is still good. So putting a 1284 long position, your stop loss probably is you probably pay need to attention on this level. I'm thinking put a stop loss under 1250. So your stop loss is 1250. Your profit taking margin is 1400. So the risk reward, I think it's pretty good, right? 30 to 120k. So it is around 1 to 4. So I think it's a really good opportunity, to be honest. If you're longing this around 1400 level. Yeah, so that's it, from all the crypto market analyze. If you really like my video, please subscribe my channel. Feel free to distribute my video to your friends. Okay, I will talk to you next time.